Alright, so guys, we just came. Oh my god, bro, what's this? What's this? Say hello to my viewers. Oh my god, bro. I'm scared. Why are you coming closer? This is a peacock. Oh, bro, what's up? Yo, are you scared? Why looking? Is this a rooster? Yo, why are you not listening to me, bro? Just leave them alone. This is so fun. What are these things, bro? Yo, is this you? What are these guys? Yo, bro. Hello. Bro, this is not listening. Okay. So this looks cool. This looks too much cool. Yeah. Where's the red thing? Hey, yo, chill. Yeah, I'm famous. I'm famous citizen. Come to me while running away, go. Alright. Okay, so I'll show you more birds around. What is this thing? Ghost. Red van inside here. Alright, so let's just go another place. Okay. So where did they win? It's so hard. Oh my god, you have to climb these stairs. It's so scary right now. So scared. My watch is ringing. I better off it. Okay, sorry for that. Oh shoot. We should go up there. Okay, I think I'm losing balance.